Hi, so I have this trailer number 6, actually number 5, that I turned from horse trailer into a concession stand. So this is the number 5. Number 6 is that one, but that one is for alcoholic beverages. So it's a bar. And this is the one we're talking about today. And this one, I did, I added this lighting outside that can be controlled to have different patterns or different colors. There's a remote control for it that can be used to adjust that. For this right here, this one can be adjusted. It can be programmed to write whatever you want to it, and also different design, different design, background design and stuff. So you can do all this, all that with this menu here. You can do it using a phone app or on the computer. You can just do the whole setup in there and then just transfer it to this right here. So it's pretty nice because you can write whatever you need to it to do to this one. Okay, this one right here. This is the customer counter. So stainless steel countertop, and you can put it down when you're driving. Put it up. You grab up the customers. Okay, you just got something there. You make this pretty easy. Yeah. Okay. Then on the inside, oh, it's got the new LED lights for when you're driving. This right here, and also this one right here, and one on the front as well. This one, this red one right here, kind of hidden. You can see it on the other side. And then right here on the inside, they got the wall paneling that represents like marble. And I got this large cabinet, stainless steel cabinet, pretty nice because there's plenty of countertop to work, to do whatever you need right here on top. So there's plenty of space for this. It's got the three sink compartment. So, and the water faucet reaches all three of them very easily. 1, 2, 3. You can see it works very nice for all three of them. Turn off the switch right here, and then you got the extra shelf right here, and there's really good ventilation. Like I added this one right here on the roof. There's, you can open this one right here. You can open this right here, this one, and also this on this side. I added another window on this side, so there's plenty of ventilation here, so it doesn't get too hot. Okay, then you got these 3 lights. One, you can turn on and off individually. There's a switch for each one of them. 1, 2, and 3. And it's actually 4. I forgot about this one right here. It's one right here on the bottom for underneath. So underneath, right under there, there's the 2 containers. One for the clean water and one for the dirty water, and the water pump is underneath as well. There's also more room to use it for other stuff. There's space for, besides the containers, there's extra room to use it for other stuff that you might need. There's also plenty of space to walk over here, so we left enough room for people to be able to work right here. So, and there's shelving right here, plenty of space inside too. And when you're working, there's some magnets right here, so you can just close it, and it closes very easily. And there's also, once you start driving, there's this cord right here that you just wrap it around it, and then you don't have a problem that this thing is gonna be opening when you're driving the trailer. Okay, when you're not driving the trailer, but when you're driving with the trailer. There's 4 outlets, electrical outlets. 1, 2, 3 right here, and the 4th one over there. And I think I got everything. It's got good flooring, non-slippery flooring, so you can work with no problem, not worried that you can be slipping on it. Marble is pretty easy to clean, also very easy to clean it. And I think I got pretty much everything. It's got the window right here with the lights. You can put something in, some type of advertisement in the middle of it, in the middle of the lights. And from this side you can see this little window right here added. for better ventilation. Then it's got the two-tone color, the dark green, the lighter green, and then the silver metal right here. All this, I put all this, I painted this on silver, and I added this horseshoe right here. Then you got the connection here for the, you can connect to the extension cord like it is right now to a house or to a business, or you can just connect it to a generator. And also I have the here. And then I have this level right here that you can use to like if you disconnect it from the vehicle that you're using it to pull it with. If you disconnect it, then you can adjust it to the right height so the floor is fully nicely level, and you can enjoy working better on a level floor rather than on a one that's not level. So this is it. I think that's all I can say. Just right here, and this one right here, to open this one, you have to put this down over here. All you have to do is just hold this right here, let go of the Velcro, this is the Velcro, and then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna bring it down like this, and then there's a screw right here, you just take it off, it comes right off, and just put this away, and then just close it, and this right here will hold it closed. So these doors, these lower doors will keep this one closed. And I made this on a little darker green right here to make it look nicer. This the close, holding the close. This one right here also, it's just all you have to do is just remove this clip right here, lift it a little bit, remove this right here like that. And it comes right down, and just do the same thing right here, the other way. There it goes. Move it, and then it closes. And once you close it from the inside, you use this clips right here to keep it closed, to keep the window closed. Same this right here. There's a clip that goes to lock it, and same for this one right here. I mentioned this already, right? I didn't say anything. Yeah. I did?
Thanks.
No, I didn't mention it? No, you cannot? No? Okay, so this, I just show you how to take this off. And once you take this off, then you can use this right here to close it. How to close this one, but here, I'll show you guys. So, this one, you can keep one here if you want, or you can just use both for both sides right here. So this one looks like that, and that keeps the window locked. And then on the other side, you can put the other one too, but in reality, you just need one. But if you want to feel safer, then you can put both of them. And then this one's locked. Then right here, this one right here, right here. So for this one, same thing. There's this one, screw it on like that. And same for this one right here. This, oops. And it's closed, and then I need to close that one. So for that one, let me get the clips for that. So the same clips that I use for to keep them open is the same clips that I use for to close it. This one like that. Just take it off. Take it off. And for this one, I only need one to close it. For the other one, I just put it inside. And the other one, I just put it right here, and it's locked. And the other one, I just put it right here so I don't lose it. There. So there you go. I think I already explained everything now, so this is it, ready for you to go sell it. Ready for me to sell it, ready for you to use it. Thank you.